Hi, I'm Jeremy with XTech Tactical, and today, with all the talk of Glock Gen 6 coming out, we're going to give you a quick overview of options you have for 17-round magazines for the Glock 17, any full-size Glock. Now with Glocks, that is the only style of pistol that I don't have any issue with you running a longer magazine in a shorter frame. So you can absolutely run 17-round mags with no sleeve if you want to in a 26 even. It's not going to feel good in your hand, but you can do it. Just has to do with the design of the pistol. You're not going to hurt it. It won't feel great. You won't have great control. But here we go. So we've got the OEM and Magpul. These are probably the two most known options over the last several years. Dramatic difference in these two magazines. And then we came on the scene last year with our Mag 1717. So when we first look at these high level, we weighed these off camera. We'll get some pictures for you guys. But these weigh 1.7 ounces, the Magpul 17-round mags. Now, it's hard to describe if you don't see it in person, but these really, just from a quality perspective, weight perspective, they're just not on the same wavelength of a Glock OEM magazine. Finish isn't there, and it just kind of feels more like in your hand, more like a toy, to be candid. Big gate marks on the back. It just, it's something they threw together, and it's not the PMag legend that you'd expect from a Magpul, what they did with the airspace. So those are available. Now, where they absolutely are easier to use when we talk about versus the other mags, the one area they absolutely win is take them apart. This is all you need. Pen, you're done. Push the button, pop the base plate off, and rock and roll, you're in a game. To remove the base plate on the OEM magazines, and we'll get to the Mag 47, you're going to need some form of a tool, Allen key, etc. We recommend base plate tool. This is a highly modified one. We do a lot of mag testing here, so I call this fellow here Betsy, but you just push this in and then pry the base plate forward. So as far as overall, on the look of the magazines, we'll show you some different views. The Mag 1717 Glock OEM magazine, very similar. Steel liner on the whole thing. The big weight savings for Magpul here is it is an all polymer magazine. So there is no steel here. The only metal involved in this magazine is the spring. And then you've got the Glock OEM with the metal liner and the Mag 17 with the metal liner. Now, so with all that said, for Magpul, unless you're just looking for range use, it's certainly a downgrade in every area other than ease of taking apart versus Glock OEM. So with that said, we'll set the Magpul aside. You guys can leave comments below. Let us know what kind of luck you've had. I mean, these are very popular. They ship with the Dagger Compact, the whole Dagger series. They ship with the RXM, so there's just millions of these guys out here. But again, to us, it's a clear downgrade from factory. Now we're going to jump into the Glock OEM versus the Mag 47. So our thought process going into any product we manufacture is, does it have a reason to exist? And for us, Glock magazines are amongst the most affordable magazines on the market when you talk about mass-produced, popular pistols. So for us, there's plenty of guys out there, and there's probably 30 companies we're not going to touch in this video, and there's reasons we're not touching them. We'll let the comments share who those are. But really, we wanted to kind of cover the three, that some people would argue trusted magazine options out there. So with that said, Glock OEM obviously is the gold standard. We saw areas we could improve. Some of that was price. Like for our 2-packs, you're at around 20 bucks a mag, street price $21, $22 per magazine. Glock OEM is going to range between 26 and 30, depending on where you buy them, when you buy them. Availability generally is good. Actually, right now as we're filming this video, it's the worst I've ever heard of. Our phones have been ringing off the hook to buy us out of stock, and we're scrambling to get more mags. But in general, you can get them. Now, as a whole, the areas of improvement we saw, though, was the base plate on the Glock magazine. It's just, kind of a standard boring shape. Didn't add any scallop. Because you are a plastic on plastic interface here, unlike most pistol magazines that are going to be metal, you do have a deal where you'll run into where your Glock magazine freezes in your frame. Well, this surface here doesn't give you anything to grip onto to rip it out if and when that happens. All right, so now we compare these head to head. We've got the Glock OEM and we've got the Mag 1717, and just for reference, like we talked about earlier, the surface finish on the Magpul, that's that. So when we look at head to head, the Mag 17 versus a Glock OEM magazine, you see the enhanced base plate. What this is going to do is features where you can grab onto and rip the magazine out if and when it freezes in your frame. So really subtle, but they're definitely a difference maker when you run into that world. Gives you a little more surface to get into and some more grip. Also, we added the dimples on the bottom where you can clearly mark your magazine. So we believe in testing every product you buy, whether it's OEM, whether it's ours, in your system before you carry. So it's a great way to kind of verify you've tested this magazine in your particular firearm, you're good to go. And so you can just fill in with a silver Sharpie or whatever you want each of these dimples. Now, magazine bodies, essentially they're a clone. Very, very similar, steel lined in the same areas. No real changes there. Both look great. And then from there, on the internals of the magazine, the biggest upgrade for us was the spring paired with the follower. So we went with a very novel approach to the follower. You can see both, very easy to see when you're empty. But we have a lubricated acetal grade that is unique to us, and that really just adds lubricity, if you will, to the follower. And so it's going to be easier to clean, easier to wipe off, also more resistant to accumulating dirt and residue, which can lead to a frozen magazine, which means it doesn't feed. The spring itself, Glock uses music wire. We use 17.7 stainless steel in all our magazines and extensions. That just gives you a more durable, longer lasting spring. If you wonder when your spring is wearing, the first signal you're usually going to get outside of fail to feeds is your slide is not going to hold back. So first thing we always tell people to check if your slide doesn't hold back is check your grip. Make sure you're not making contact with your slide lock. But from there, it's usually a sign your spring's worn out. Now, can you take a Glock magazine and bring it up to the level of a Mag 1717? The answer is absolutely yes. You can go buy enhanced base plates from us or other companies. Those run about $5 to $10 a base plate. You can go buy a spring that's upgraded, like a Wolf high-powered spring. Those run around $10. So you can buy an OEM Glock magazine and spend $15, so be into the magazine for at best $40, and now you've got something on the level of a Mag 1717. So for us, that is exactly our why we created the Mag 1717. You've got a $40 value that's $25, or if you buy the 2-pack, it's closer to $20. Now additionally, we offer the 22-round magazines that are just coming out, and that's a 17-round mag with a +5. So you can get the +5 on its own or pre-installed. Now also, if you've got some old 17-round mags sitting around that you want to rehab, you can convert those with our extension kits. We do offer them with and without a follower on our website. You can buy the followers in bulk. So you can rebuild your old 17-round mags, clean them up, replace all the internals, everything but the body, and really enhance them for a great value. So, all right, so to close this out on the 17-round mags for Glocks, big value proposition for us is it's not just a head-to-head comparison. Plenty of guys that run a lot of Glocks, the number one thing they do is they upgrade their springs, and then the next upgrade would be their base plate. So really, you've already got that installed, ready to go, lifetime warranty with our Mag 1717. So if you look at it head-to-head, $40 value for $25, can't beat it. And from a company that frankly, we're very out there, we very much stand behind our products, so it gives you a great value. Additionally, we'll pull the 17 off frame here, and we'll pull the 19 in. So with our 17-round mags, you can get the magazine pre-installed with sleeves that fill out that gap and allow you to get a perfect grip. So now I just transformed the frame length in this Gen 6 19 to a 17 size. So now, if I want to have a 17 with the ability to go back down to a 19 size, this is the perfect package. So I don't have that goofy cutout here. It just fits seamlessly with the pistol. And then, of course, we do offer the 20-round extended setup with the pre-installed extension. And we do this for the RXM now. We do this for, as far as these sleeves go, we also do it for the Dagger Compact. So I think where we definitely have won the hill here is we've got the best options, best value in the market, and from a company that really stands behind their work. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Reach out for any questions. Leave comments below. Follow for more. We're definitely going to be full court press on new products this year. Like, subscribe, do all the things. Appreciate you.